Hello guys and welcome to my channel. This is job update 49 and in this video we'll be talking about Byju's recruitment. So I request you all to watch the video till the end. In this video I'd be explaining you how you have to fill the form actually, and if you find this video helpful, please press the like button and do share it also. So for once you click the link in the description, I have given the direct link of this page. This page will open. You can use your mobile, laptop, tablet, anything. But before clicking that link and going into actual application, watch the video because you have to understand how you have to apply. Okay. So the salary package is 10 lakh per annum. So in that package, 7 lakh, that is fixed component, and 3 lakh is variable. For all those who don't know what's the fixed and variable component, it means that 7 lakh per annum, 7 lakh rupees per annum, you will get 100%. So irrespective, whatever is your performance, you will get 7 lakh per annum. And 3 lakh is the performance based incentive, that is called as a variable component. So you can get anywhere from 5,000 to 3 lakh per annum. So you will get at least minimum you will get 7 lakh, and if you perform good, you can get up to 3 lakh additional. So total package is 10 lakh per annum. Okay. And all those students, those who have passed their graduation in year 2014, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20, so all the students right from those who have passed in year 2014 are eligible for this recruitment. So I request you all, it's a very good opportunity for all of you to apply for this job. And those who are having teaching in passion in teaching, they should definitely apply. And the salary package is quite good irrespective you have any kind of a degree. So whether you are having it from IIT or IM or irrespective, the salary package is good. Even for the private colleges students, they have good opportunity. So let's come to this page. Once you click that link, this page will open. You scroll down. I am using mobile, so some same thing you will find in laptop, tablet, anything. So I prefer that you all also use mobile for application. You have to click this link, the arrow one. Then so this is the city where you want interview to be happening. So there are multiple cities, main cities, big cities from all the four regions: south, north, east and west. Select any one which is nearer to your location, to your hometown where you are situated right now. You can select anything. So suppose I am selecting Delhi NCR, so I tap on this, so this will select, it is written Delhi NCR. So remember, afterwards you won't be able to change, so select this one carefully. Okay. Then here you have to write your complete name. So just like what I have written, I have written my name, complete name. Then here you have to write your 10-digit mobile number. I have written my mobile number. Then you have to write your email ID. I have written my email ID. Then your hometown. So once you click on this, you have to write hometown. Suppose your hometown is Delhi, just for example. Once you click Delhi, so there will be two options, Delhi and New Delhi. You can select anything. Okay. Or if you are having, for example, you are having your hometown anywhere else, Hyderabad. So once you write spelling of your hometown, it will automatically come. You have to click this, it will be selected. Okay. Then you have to write the date of birth. For writing date of birth, you again click here. Once you click here, how you have to select, click on the top left, this 2020. Then scroll up, whatever is your date of birth year, you select that first. Suppose your birth year is 1995, then year is 1995, and you can select from these arrows the corresponding month. Suppose for example your date of birth is like July 13, 1995. So come here, click this 13. So it will take 13 July 1995. Click set on the top, on the bottom right corner. Click set. So it has taken 13 July 1995. Then click on gender, whether you are male or female. Click corresponding button. Then you have to select the highest qualification. Click anywhere. Then there will be four options: BE or BTech, MBA, and MBA plus BE Tech or others. I'll give you multiple examples. If you are having BE Tech degree only, either BE or Tech, select the first option. If you are having MBA degree, but before that, like for graduation you did BSc or BBA or BCom or any other graduation degree, then your highest qualification is MBA, so you have to select this option, second option. if you're if you did MBA after your BE Tech, then you have to select third option. Okay. If you're having highest qualification as, for example, BSc or for example MTech, then you have to select others. I repeat, only if you are having BE Tech degree, select the first option. If you are having MBA degree after any kind of a graduation, just like BSc, BCom, BBA, then you did MBA, then you select second option. If you did MBA after completing BE Tech directly, select third option. If you are not having MBA, if you're not having MBA degree and you did only BSc, BCom or MTech degree after BE Tech, just for example, then you have to select others. So like my highest qualification is MTech, so I'll be selecting last one, others. But you have to select correspondingly. Then you have to select when did you qualify, then you have to drop down. So I already told that all the students, those who have passed in year 2014, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and those who are going to pass in 2020, all the 7 batches are eligible. So you select your graduation year. So suppose you selected this, then you have to select work experience. This is not mandatory, but it's better if you have any work experience, then you write so 1 to 3, 3 plus or 0 to 1. If you are having no work experience, you have to select 0 to 1. That means if you are a fresher, you have to select 0 to 1. Okay, then move on further. You have to select 10th board results detail. You have to select board. Click here. So you all must be knowing, in India we have CBSE, ICSE and state boards like Rajasthan board, UP board and Uttarakhand board, all the state boards, as well as we have one more international board. This is like a new in India international board, so that will be acceptable all across the world. So you select your corresponding 10th board. Suppose I am selecting ICSE because my was ICSE, I selected this. Write your percentage. If you are having CGPA, it's written in this one, it's written here, this convert CGPA to percentage by multiplying by 10. Suppose you got CGPA 8.5, so your percentage you have to write, so you will be writing 85. Please remember this. If you are having CGPA, multiply by 10 and then write. If you are having direct percentage, write directly. So I'll be writing, suppose, this one. Okay, similar for 12th board, click on this one. Then you will be finding CBSE, ICSE, state board, international board, whatever. You select corresponding. Suppose I am selecting this one. Again you have to write percentage. Percentage means this one. Okay, then you have to select your resume. So click on choose file, click on files, click on resume. Suppose I am selecting my resume. For you must be having your resume ready, so I'll be selecting my resume. Then once you click this register button, this purple button, you will get a mail confirmation from them, and any further communications that will happen in future, like when is the interview scheduled, what is the interview location and so on, you will get all the details in your mobile number what you entered at the top, as well as in your email ID. So you have to be careful in entering your mobile number as well as your email ID. So once you click on the register button, your work is done, and then you have to start preparing for the interview. So this is a very good opportunity, guys, a very high package, salary package, and as you know that like jobs are very less right now in the market, so I urge all of you, please apply for this job, and do like the video and do share this video with your friends. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and press the notification bell. I would be seeing you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Guys, please like the video.